Hey y'all, welcome back to Adventuring with Amanda. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I did a live unboxing of my Zero Breeze Mark II AC unit the other night, and I'm already obsessed. I've been playing around with it, charging it, and I did plug it in inside the house to blow it on me to see kind of, just how it works. So far, very impressed. So, the Zero Breeze unit itself actually looks bigger on the floor of the house than it does in my minivan. So I'm very happy with that. As you can see, I have plenty of floor space to put my Zero Breeze if I want. Now, what's nice about it is I have the battery pack that the Zero Breeze sits on. So you don't always have to have it plugged in or use the hoses. If Winston and I are hanging out inside my van and we just want some cool air, but I have this door open, I can literally place the Zero Breeze like this so the air is blowing on us without any issues. So I'm happy to know that even with my toilet sitting on the floor, I will have plenty of floor space for my Zero Breeze. So, and just to, well, I don't want to crooked, but just to kind of give you a size comparison next to my fridge, it is considerably smaller. Now, I was thinking of some other options, and this is where I want you guys to help me out. So, I think when I have the hoses set up, they're going to go through my passenger window. And remember that Zero Breeze does give you some foam insulation to help out. So I have both of these pieces. So I'm going to make some insulation for the front window. But I don't think I'm going to fit it on the floor anymore. But let me kind of show you another idea that I was thinking. So the Zero Breeze actually does fit on my center console. Which is really cool, because if Winston and I are chilling, like let's say we're in somewhere with pretty nice weather but we want a breeze, I can literally just put it on this front center console and it'll cool us down. So the other thing I was thinking was with the hoses, I have available space to store the Zero Breeze on my floor but not run the hoses. So I was thinking I could almost like build a platform for the passenger seat, so I have the Zero Breeze kind of like this essentially, so the hoses can come out here and through the passenger window, and then I can either just have the air blowing or use the front hose. So I think there are a few different options that I can really work with in terms of using it inside my van. So I want your opinion. What do you guys think is going to be best? So I have the hoses and all the attachments in this really cool Cabela's bag that I bought. So I'm going to keep the components of the Zero Breeze in this bag because I don't necessarily need the hoses and stuff all the time. That's what makes the Zero Breeze so awesome. It's portable and it works as an AC unit even without all of those things. So that's going to go in my rooftop box, but I'm not going to set the Zero Breeze up to be permanent. I want it to be versatile so I can move it around. That's what makes this unit so fantastic, is the versatility and the portability. So I think the first thing I'm going to do is, take it up to northern Arizona beginning tomorrow and really give it a fair test outdoors. And I think I want to put up my awning and really set up my camp to create a cozy space for me and Winston at our camp spot. And then I can have the Zero Breeze working. I am going to bring the Zero Breeze up north with a full 6-hour charge on the battery pack. So at least I'll know I'll have 6 hours of power just to kind of mess around with it. I'm still waiting on my 12-volt adapter for it, so we're just kind of experimenting in the meantime. So I actually just realized that I think I can plug my Zero Breeze charger right into there in my Bluetti 800 EB70S. I think I can plug it right into there. but I still need that 12 volt really for optimal efficiency. And now that I have my new Bluetti 200 watt solar panel, I'm not concerned about running the Zero Breeze on that unit. So let me know what you guys think. Do you have suggestions for my installation? You know, what do you think about like the wood platform or like platform idea for my passenger seat, then to run the hoses out the front passenger window? It's not going to be, I don't think, effective for me personally to run hoses out the side window. I think that it'll be best to go through the passenger. So I look forward to your input. Thank you so much, you guys. This Zero Breeze air conditioning unit has been a super fun experiment with you all so far. Please like this video. Like I said, subscribe. We have a lot more to go, and be looking out for Life at Camp episode 6. We'll see you guys next time.